Hello everyone, welcome in our geography session for a standard 12th by Deshmukh ma'am. We discuss about our third chapter, that is human settlement and land use. Land use is very important concept in our human settlement. In a human settlement there are several activities which related with the land use. A specific land is utilized for the specific purpose. For example, some land is only useful for some minerals as well as some is important. If it is a fertile, then it is useful for the agriculture purpose. Barren land we cannot utilize for agriculture and any important economic activities, but about the industrial sector we can use that barren land also for the industrial sector, industrial development. So there are the land use is considered with the different activities which is related with the human and human settlement. So in a human settlement we already discussed about the rural areas and land use. Now we discuss a land use in urban areas. First, the land use related with urban areas is related with the residential areas, a region or area which is under construction for a human settlement, where there are the buildings and houses are construct. Such a region include in a residential areas. Then second, industrial area, where there are the industrial plants are there, manufacturing process are there. Such a plant, such a region is when the area under such industrial centers and industrial plants, manufacturing plants, such area is included in industrial areas. For example, there are the several industrial areas around outside of any town. Almost MIDC zones are there and they are under the industrial areas, so that land is utilized for the industrial sector. Then third, institutional areas. Almost institutional areas is considered as the educational areas. Almost education centers are there. For example, schools and colleges are there. Universities are there. For example, our Pune University, there are the extensive land area is under development of Pune universities, as well as the colleges. Almost the colleges they have also colleges and school, they have also used a large land area in a outside or a inside of a urban centers. Such area is also known as a institutional areas. As well as there are the insurance offices are also included. Then cantonments and similar to these activities are also exist in these institutional areas. So these schools, colleges, universities, insurance offices and cantonments, such areas is related with institutional areas. Then next, recreational areas. Almost the recreational centers like the area which is important for the entertainment purpose for a human being. Mostly parks are there, playgrounds are there, as well as open or a closed theaters are also considered as the recreational areas. Almost these important centers are also occupied a large space in a city urban centers. You also visit such a parks, playgrounds, as well as open or closed theater in urban centers. Then next, transportation. Transportation is also one of the important activities which is also important. There is a need of land area. For example, airports also occupied a large land area for their construction purpose. Then railway station are also occupied a large area. Almost the railway station they have a need of platforms and housing construction related with railway workers and other important offices related with the railways are also developed on the both side of that railway track near a railway station. So railway stations are also occupied a large land area. Roads are also there. If we observe the highways and other roads in rural or urban centers which connect the urban area to rural and urban to metropolitan cities, such roads are also occupied very large space. Then railways and harbors are also important. Almost the ports region, if we discuss about the Nehru port in our Mumbai, it is also occupied a large space in Mumbai. So the transportations are also occupied some important and large area related with the urban centers. Then 6, that is a commercial area. Almost the commercial area where the process of selling is there and purchasing is there. That is important for the commercial activity, trade activity. Almost this trade is developed in a market centers in urban areas. These areas are also sometimes related with the residential areas. For example, this area is also known as the CBD, Central Business District, because the urban centers and their population, they have a need of purchasing and selling things that is related with the market centers within urban areas. There are the malls are also developed in urban center. Then some areas we also observe in Mumbai and Pune near local stations. The market is very developed related with residential area. So the commercial, these all commercial process are related with the commercial areas. Then plots layout, a region which is not useful for the agriculture. Before some years, that area, that region, that is also important for agriculture activities, but because of the expansion of urban area, because of the high growth of population, immigration, the region, the land area within a urban center is not sufficient for the population or a residential purpose. That's why the outside area of urban, which is closely related with the urban center, such area is important for a plot layouts. It is a vacant land which developed for construction of buildings only because of the population growth and the demand of housing. Then our last point, last land use related with the urban center, that is the mixed land use. In urban center, we also think one thing is important there, related with the develop and planned cities. This concept is very clearly attached. Mixed land use, because of various types of land use are togetherly developed in such type of cities or urban center. For example, there are the shops, houses, clinics, schools and open place. All these things are developed togetherly in a urban center. Such a land area, such a land use is known as a mixed land use. In this way, we discuss all 8 points related with the land use in urban areas. There is the first use, that is the residential areas, almost under the construction houses is there. Then industrial areas which related with the industrial development. Third, institutional areas which related with the educational purpose. Then recreational areas related with the entertainment. Transportation areas which are totally related with the transportation system. Roads are there, roads, railways and airports are there, as well as a port, harbors are there. Then commercial areas is related with the trade. within a urban centers with a residential area. Then plot layouts, it is a construction sites related with the outside or related with urban centers. And last, mixed land use, such are the important 8 use related with urban areas. Okay, thank you.